expecting the single word that is on the tip of each crypto fan's tongue this year, then that word is DeFi. As the advanced cash market moved between various solidarities in 2021, projects like Long Cash have been stretching the boundaries of what blockchain development can do, and this has undeniably attracted the thought of monetary patrons all over the planet. Long Cash is actually a setup of things. In light of the Ethereum blockchain, in its most central sense, it grants crypto holders to store their money and secure yields. Regardless, what makes the show outstanding is how it allows those denoting their computerized cash to extend their benefits through thus trading between crediting shows on their behalf, much like Uniswap Compound and of Long Cash is a very rare example of DeFi undertaking that has procured a ton of thought lately, and the worth of its nearby token EFI has seen basic expense improvement beginning from the very start of 2021. So what unequivocally brings in lengthy cash not equivalent to the next DeFi shows accessible. Likewise is it obligated to be an insightful hypothesis over the mid to long stretch in the going, with long cash cost assumption well-researched definitively careful thing the endeavor offers, and what driving analysts are expecting for its future. As a hypothesis opportunity brief layout of Long Cash. Before we research Long Cash, it justifies pointing out that the internal tasks of the endeavor are significantly multifaceted, and cautiously portraying what is happening is quite far past the degree of this. In any case, we will attempt to give a blueprint of the undertaking to allow likely monetary benefactors to grasp the assistance it gives. Yearnfinance was shipped off in July 2020 via independent architect cronje. What cronje required was a method for mechanizing liquidity mining rather than ceaselessly need to move his crypto all through different DeFi projects as demonstrated by whichever had the most great speeds of return. What Long Cash does is effectively offer a trading organization clients store their stablecoins into pools which the long show then really puts into other DeFi projects, similar to OV or Compound, as demonstrated by whichever one has the best returns for that coin around. Then at that point, the more clients the association has, the better the long show can put their tokens to work by splitting belongings between different DeFi dares to help returns. So pretty much Long Cash is an endeavor set up for yield developing. As with most DeFi projects, it kicks off clients giving liquidity to the association's various pools, an action for which they are remunerated with interest. Nevertheless, what brings in lengthy cash, one of a kind, is the refined habits by which it puts the coins in expressed pools to work genuinely. The endeavor ought to be noticeable as a passage to other DeFi exchanges, a kind of blockchain money-related guide that picks the best endeavor procedure for the crypto saves got into the association. Undeniably, Long Cash is an incredibly obfuscated structure, yet the endeavor offers various instruments to make things more clear for representatives. These consolidates app path for Zaperfi, which deals with the technique associated with taking complex hypothesis positions, and Cover, which offers induction to Nexus Shared, which offers a direct way for clients to fence canny agreement gamble on yearn. What exactly is Long Cash EFI for? In case you're excited about placing assets into Long Cash, the best method for doing so is by obtaining its neighborhood computerized money EFI. The token has recently seen some very extraordinary expense improvement, and at its hour is one of the more prominent worth coins out there, trading at 42,361 per token. However, what exactly is EFI used for? EFI is the organization identification of the Long Cash Association. This infers that clients who hold the token get to settle on the heading of the endeavor, including show overhauls and shockingly the endeavor procedures used by a piece of the long vaults. Clients can get EFI by saving capital into the long show and giving liquidity to the various things EFI holders. Moreover, obtain a part of the costs that various clients pay for using the assistance. Looking at Long Cash's worth history, moreover, with the organization identification of various other DeFi projects, Long's EFI started trading at an unreasonable expense, hitting around 790 in its underlying very few significant stretches of trading. The token has since seen its worth take off. Nevertheless, apparently can't plunge back underneath 1,000 whenever since its farewell after somewhat more than a month of trading EFI experienced its most noteworthy tremendous expense flood in August, costs took off from $52.90 to more than $35,059, tending to improvement of over $560. For the month, September saw another gigantic expense spike when EFI came to as high as $43,337. The latest several extensive stretches of 2020 saw long cash go into something of a defeat, with costs sinking to $85.20 by November. Regardless, the break appeared apparently to be short-lived, and EFI was in a little while back on an upward heading, moving back to 24,596 before the month was out. Long continued with a truly predictable speed of improvement until February 2021, when the expense of EFI suddenly shot up to 47,117, following re-energized interest in DeFi projects. Long didn't hold this for quite a while anyway, and costs sank back underneath the 40k mark for a ton of spring. April saw EFI hit one more high of 53,228, before EFI experienced a somewhat turbulent month. In May, the token showed up at a record-breaking high of 9,078,689 on May 12, going before neglecting to 33,003 in under around 14 days. From there on out, the expense of EFI has moved in the two headings, yet at the hour of was holding reasonably predictable at around 2,429,532 yearn cash and curve, a recipe for progress. One thing monetary supporters should consider while looking at long cash is its relationship with Twist, another DeFi project that goes probably as a mechanized market maker, giving a way to dealers to buy, sell and exchange computerized monetary standards through its own liquidity pools. What is this to do with long cash in light of everything? An impressive